Body parts.
Belly button.
Belly button. Belly button.
Can you point to your belly button?
Thumb.
Thumb. Thumb.
You can use your thumb to ask for a ride.
Index finger.
Index finger. Index finger.
We often use our index fingers to press on doorbells. Skeleton.
Skeleton. Skeleton.
The skeleton is used as a learning tool.
Belly button.
Belly button.
Thumb.
Thumb. Index finger.
Index finger.
Skeleton.
Skeleton.
Have. Near. Both.
Have.
Near.
Both. Cold. Does.
More.
Transportation. Plane.
Plane. Plane. Planes can fly very fast.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Motorcycle.
When riding a motorcycle, you need to wear a helmet.
Truck.
Truck. Truck. Some trucks are huge and have many wheels. Train.
Train. Train.
A train is a chain of cars that rolls along steel tracks. Plane.
Plane.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Truck.
Truck. Train.
Train. Ooh. 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 Oval. Oval. Ooh. Owl. Owl. Ooh. Bell. Bell. Words end with L.
Girl.
Bowl.
Male.
kneel,
Bill.
Snail.
choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Thumb,
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
train,
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That is right. Plane. Choose the word that goes with the picture. Awesome! Index finger. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
great job!
Motorcycle.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. That is right.
Belly button,
Which one is?
both. Great job!
Can you point to?
Cold.
That is right.
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.